Super delicious, budget-friendly macaroni jollof. Let's go ahead and put it together in few minutes. I will start by seasoning the chicken. I added black pepper, white pepper, paprika, salt to taste, onion powder and garlic powder. I'll go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. You can go ahead and increase your chicken. Add chicken as you want, alright? I cover with plastic wrap and allow to marinate for as long as I want. Marinate it as long as you want, alright? While that is marinating, I'll go ahead and boil the pasta. In a pot of boiling water, added a little bit of salt to taste, some olive oil, and I'll go ahead and add the pasta. Make use of any pasta of your choice. Once I add the pasta, I give everything a quick stir and allow to cook until it's 95% done. While the pasta is boiling, I'll go ahead and prep the pepper. I have the yellow, the green, and the red bell pepper. I have garlic, and I have onion, and I have one tomato, and the chili pepper as well. I'll go ahead and blend the pepper roughly, not too rough and not too smooth. At this point, the pasta is done to my liking. I'll go ahead and take some of the water out. That water that I take out, I'm going to set it aside, alright? We are going to use it to cook the sauce. Just keep watching. And I will take the pasta off the heat and drain out the water and set it aside. In a pan, added some olive oil and allow to heat up slightly. Feel free to add any oil of your choice. Once heated up, I go in with the chicken and I'm going to allow it to fry until it's golden brown. Stirring on it so it doesn't burn. Alright, at this point, this is exactly what I'm looking for. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of tomato paste. That is optional. If you don't like to cook with tomato paste, you can totally skip it. Just about a tablespoon. Once I add the tomato, I just give everything a quick stir. I went ahead and add the pepper. Once I add the pepper, I just go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined. I'm a huge fan of make use of what you have, alright? If you don't have all this pepper combination, use whatever you have. I make use of the pepper combination because I have it already, alright? If you don't have, use tomato and chili pepper and you are good to go, alright? To season the sauce, I make use of curry powder, chicken seasoning, and rosemary. And you guys, if you have rosemary, please add it to this pasta. You guys, the rosemary changed the pasta game. It took it from 0 to 100. Trust me on this one, guys. I go ahead and add the pasta water that I took out earlier. And I give everything a quick stir. Cover the sauce and allow to cook. While it's cooking, I'm stirring on it so it doesn't burn. I also taste for seasoning. Everything was perfect. It was 100 over 100. Trust me, guys. The sauce is perfectly cooked. I just go in with the pasta. Once I add the pasta, I stir everything together until they are well combined. And you guys, I know I already say it. You guys, this pasta tastes absolutely delicious. You guys will not believe that I just cooked this with ordinary chicken. You guys, it tastes absolutely amazing. Added a tiny bit of water for the pasta and the sauce to steam together. If you still have some of the pasta water, just make use of the pasta water. But because I didn't have it again, I added the normal water, alright? I cover it back and allow to steam together for about 3 to 5 minutes. And that is it, guys. Give it a final stir and serve and enjoy. Hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for the love and support. I truly appreciate all of you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.